If you're here, it means that you want to understand how our technology works in more detail, right? So let's dive in. At the heart of Squirro's technology are machine learning models designed for information extraction, combined with other natural language processing techniques. NLP, natural language processing, is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a meaningful way. Think of these models as specialized software trained to find exactly what you need in your database. In particular, we use large language models, LLMs, which are advanced AI systems trained on extensive textual data. These models can rephrase information and provide conversational answers, allowing you to interact directly with your data. For instance, if you ask, "Where's the file A?" and B, the system might respond, "You can find your files here, and here is the summary of what they say, in case you don't have time to read them now." However, since these systems could sometimes produce incorrect answers, a phenomenon known as hallucinations, we take additional steps to ensure the accuracy of such an information. To ensure the information is genuinely useful for your business, we integrate LLMs with Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This framework supplies LLMs with specific and relevant information from your own data, grounding the outputs in your unique content rather than relying on general internet sources. As a result, our platform doesn't just generate answers, it pulls in the most relevant, up-to-date information from your data sources, ensuring responses are both accurate and contextually aware. To take this a step further, Squirro uses knowledge graphs, advanced structures that organize your knowledge base by identifying relationships between different pieces of information. For example, just as bread can be connected to the category of food and also to the material flour, a retail company can use knowledge graphs to map out connections between products, categories, and materials. This helps uncover hidden patterns and insights that might not be immediately obvious, making your data more meaningful and actionable. In addition, our AI guardrails ensure that every decision made by the AI aligns with your company's ethics, compliance, and best practices. But what are guardrails? Those are softwares that filter and guide the AI decision-making processes, preventing it from producing harmful, biased, or non-compliant outputs based on your industry rules and internal guidelines that you may have. This helps keep your operation safe and trustworthy, enhancing efficiency and boosting employee confidence. In this context, Squirro is built with enterprise-grade security in mind. Adhering to the highest international standards, such as the ISO 27001, your data is always encrypted and protected, whether it's in transit or at rest. Our platform seamlessly integrates all your structured and unstructured data, building a comprehensive knowledge base. This integration maximizes the value of your existing data, uncovering insights that drive better decision-making. Another very relevant point is that Squirro has recently introduced an agent framework designed to enhance your AI workflow. An agent is a software component that automatically performs specific tasks based on predefined rules or instructions. And when you mention agent framework, it means that we are utilizing multiple agents to handle different tasks autonomously, trained to your needs. This setup allows you to create and deploy custom tools for tasks ranging from content creation to fact-checking, ensuring that your AI delivers high-quality results more efficiently and more quickly. In short, with Squirro, you can transform your enterprise. Squirro is the place where AI meets intelligence, security, and operational excellence. If you want to unlock the potential of your data, contact us today.